Hi, hello, this is Jackie and I am teaching Tagalog words to all the people who wants to learn Tagalog. But because I know some of you wanting to go to the Philippines, but you don't know the language. So I'm trying my best here to teach. I'm a teacher, really. I'm a teacher in Florida. I'm teaching elementary and currently I'm teaching in middle school. So I'm a teacher really, but right now I'm just using my teaching skill to teach you how to say greetings in Filipino. So understand, in my previous video I told you that Filipinos we have a lot of dialects because we have like lots of islands. So but our national language is Filipino, but that is a formal way. But when it says Tagalog, it's our ordinary way of communicating. Okay, so if you go to Mindanao, they have different dialects, but if you say Tagalog, they understand also. Even they cannot respond, they can respond in English, but Tagalog is really our universal language. So I'm gonna teach you for morning. So beautiful in English, in Tagalog it's maganda. Beautiful in English, in Tagalog, it's maganda. So, morning in English, Tagalog is umaga. You can say umaga. Umaga. Okay? So, that's how that's how the basic words. Now, if you're gonna use this sentence, for example, in English, good morning, you can say in Tagalog, magandang umaga. So, you notice that the maganda, we put ng to make it magandang. So, magandang umaga. So, good morning, magandang umaga. So, if you saw somebody in the morning, they will say magandang umaga, you will say magandang umaga, or you can say magandang umaga po, P-O. So, that means you are like respecting them. That's a way of respect po. But you can say magandang umaga. So just let me know in the comment section if you want to make it like syllables so that you understand. But I'm fine with it. Okay? In the morning, good morning, magandang umaga. In the afternoon, good afternoon, magandang hapon. Magandang hapon. In the evening, good evening in English, magandang gabi. Okay? Good evening, magandang gabi.